Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
We'll demonstrate here on a 2016 Ford F150, but even if you have a different year, it may work as well. You have two different fuse boxes, guys. One is located, the main fuse box is located under the hood of your truck. And guys, if you open that fuse box, it will look just like that one. You have different fuses, relays that could be really expensive, hard to find, overpriced. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping as well for your convenience. We'll need to go in the fuse box that's located inside your truck, okay, inside your F150, guys, and in the footwell right here by the kick panel. That's the kick panel right here, that plastic here. You remove that cover and you're going to see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one. Those will be your cables. We have it removed so we can clearly show you, but that's the fuse box layout. Now let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out.
The fuse, guys, for the GPS and the navigation system that you need to check will be on the left side. By the way, check those double fuses that you have here. Those are really hard to find fuses as well. The fuse for the GPS and the navigation will be fuse number 32, that fuse right here, and we're talking about a 10M fuse. Next to the fuse you see the number, that's the one that you will need to check specifically.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.